Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's start the NX game, and this is the absolute beginners uh, tutorial. And in this tutorial let's try out to talk about NX game. Okay, so whenever you open the NX, it has an environment like this. It's not you just only use this software for the cam purpose, but you can use it for the CAD simulation, mold analysis, mold design, and many more things, right? But specifically what I will do, I will upload a compact course on NX cam. So what this course will consist of, so let me just explain that. So whenever you open a new file, click on new. You can also do the same thing by Control N. Okay, so this window will pop up. So directly you can click on the manufacturing mode here. It will take you to the manufacturing environment, but sometimes you can click on the model and later you can just click on the manufacturing. But right now I don't want to model anything. I don't want to just design anything. Probably what I do, I want to create the G codes, right? I want to do the cam analysis. I want to do the manufacturing. So what I do exactly, I will click on the manufacturing, and you can just name the file, and where you want to save this file, you can just select that region as well. And I want to click OK. Now it's just loading the manufacturing environment. Alright, so let me make sure like what I want to do exactly, whichever the part you have, I will be make you able how you can create the G codes for that part by using the NX12. Okay, so right now it is taking you to the environment. So when you just choose the manufacturing, so we have the machining environment, and here we have the game setup to create. Okay, so let me just explain this because this is the absolute beginner class. So here you have to select, we have lots of things, but I have to select the cam journal and a cam configuration, and up here you have the cam setup. Okay, so cam setup mean like what kind of machining you want to do. Suppose mill planer, we have the mill contour, mill multi-axis, mill multi-blade, mill rotary, whole milling cycles, turning wire EDM. Right, these are the things which actually I will be trying out to cover in this course. Alright, so mill planer means like, sometimes we can call this as the 2.5 axis machining. The part in which the z-axis is parallel to the cutting walls. Suppose you have a pocket and the cutting walls are parallel to z-axis. That part we can consider them as the mill planer. Mill contour, this is the 3-axis machining in which the z-axis is not parallel to the cutting walls, or the cutting wall are exactly at a certain angle. Sometimes we can call them as the curved surfaces, sculptured surfaces, or whatever you can call for that. We have the mill multi-axis. When it comes to the 4 and 5-axis machining, we call them as the mill multi-axis, in which the axis of the tool is changing with time. Alright, and multi-blade, when it comes to the turbo machinery parts, so probably we will use this cam setup, mill rotary, and with the z-axis is rotating. We have the whole milling cycles, like suppose we have the boring, we have the threading, reaming, we have the drilling operations, right? We have lots of operations over here, and this is a separate class. That's what exactly we call as the lathe operation, turning operation. We have the wire EDM. So for now, I will click on the mill planner and let me just like the CAM journal, and I will hit OK. So now this is my manufacturing environment. Remember one thing: whenever you open the manufacturing environment, you have nothing to do. Just let me show you. You have to understand only these 4 tabs and these tabs: the insert option and the operations, right? These are the most important tabs. So the first tab is just the program overview, right? Because whenever you want to create a program, it will comes under certain section. Like now these 2 programs are under NC program, right? And this is the machine tool view. So here the tools that you are going to define will show up here. Supposedly I don't have any tool for now, so I have 0 tool. And next we have the geometry view, which exactly I am preferring whenever you want to create or whenever you want to just manufacture, whenever you want to cam apart. I will most probably use the geometry view because this is the most prominent view. This is the most the most easier way that in which you can just select the tool, the file, the MCS, part, blank, whatever you have. And the last one is the machine method view, which method you are supposed to be doing in that specific operation. Suppose you do mill rough, mill semi-finish, mill finish, drill method, whichever the method you want exactly to be used. And sometimes you're open the manufacturing environment, but you're not getting. So that's why you're not in the exact locations. So make sure whenever you are you open the manufacturing environment, make sure you click the operation navigator. Alright, here you have to define the tool. Here you can just create a new geometry, and these are the operation what I exactly discussed with you before the video started. Alright, and here we have the generate the toolpath, the toolpath verifications. Here you can just add certain kind of machine, and this is the post processor. So later you can just do the shop documentation and many more things. Later we will discuss them. So this was day first, and this was all about the NXCAM manufacturing environment. Supposedly you want to go back to the modeling, you can click on application and click on modeling. It will take you to the modeling environment. Like you can just do sketching, features, extrude, hole, show features. Like, because now I'm in the modeling environment, we have the surfacing. Again, if you want to go to the manufacturing, click on application, and this is the manufacturing environment. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss out this complete course, because I'm supposed to upload the videos in the sequence. First I will cover the mill planner, then mill contour, then mill multi-axis, mill multi-blade, mill turn, hole milling cycles, mill rotary, and all the things. I will deliver all the techniques being as a CNC programmer. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.